My bad, y'all. Hey, everybody, welcome back to Ziva Styles. In this video, I'm pretty much going to be showing you guys a template that I came up with. This is for the Blistex lip balm. I did a template for the top of it as well as this little covering on the side, you know, so that you can open it. And yeah, I haven't used it yet, but yeah, I think this is really cute. These can be party favors. These can be, you know, gifts or just something you do for yourself. Y'all, I'm trying to get this camera together. Like, what is going on? Okay. Yeah, but don't get my hair. Shoot, it's jacked up. But, anywho, the measurements to this will be on my Patreon page. And I probably will not be posting another video, probably within the next like 3 or 4 days. I am going to be moving my craft room once again. This is a new room, but you know, I just moved into this house, so we're still trying to get things situated and see what works best for everybody. So I'm going to be moving. Hopefully, this is the last time. Moving everything down to the basement. That is, I think, the best for my room. I hope so. But yeah, so I will see you guys in about 3 or 4 days, give or take. Yeah, so if you have any questions about this at all, you guys, I love how this came out. This came out super, super cute. Can you guys see that? Look at that. Super cute. Can you get the label too? No, it just does not want. Okay, enough talking. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.